Joe sure doesn't want to like separate them, but me, I was like, I really wanted to have one.
They're looking at it.
After I saw something on YouTube, say they are better to talk if there's only one bird.
They're like, well, hey, look, I'm doing this laser light, and they're looking at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm down. You have to heal me.
The bird is watching it. It's like it's trying to follow the light. Look, it's cute.
What's going on? What is it doing?
It's being cute, trying to bite the light.
So now you should record it.
She's already
recording
it.
It got scared.
Bird.
It's like a beautiful light.
Chanel, you record it. Chanel.
Wait.
They don't know it's right there.
No, it is. Now they do.
I'm putting it on the other bird.
I am recording them.
Oh. You are?
Yes.
Can I do it?
Okay,
Oh,
here.
shit.